What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the building when I hit and smash now. Bang, you know, people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, Dan Mafia. We're back in the music lab today with another banger. And for for the title, see what I deal with today. Yeah, man, we're in our channel with, you know, two of these artists is no stranger to the channel. You know what I'm saying? One maybe is. One we're gonna check it out and see what we're going to. You see what I deal with today. We got Sparta, Ding Dong, and Dinesty King, and this one entitled Guzu Bunks. You know what I'm saying? So I check it out and see what I'm going today. Yeah, man, people, I don't know. Tamale, come on, Tamale is no artist that we need to explain. A veteran in the game. Ding Dong also a veteran in the game. Most of the dancing, all these, and you know what I'm saying? Ding Dong artists some rate too, you know, because they give a different energy to dance hall and different style to dance hall. There's a different side of dance hall where the world don't even know, and a different side of dance out that the world also knows and gravitate towards. You know what I'm saying? The more fun, creative. You know what I'm saying? But I jump right in and see what go on. But before we even do that, guys, yo, I'm off your clap on yourself, big up on yourself. You know, we just hit 2K, you know, road to 10K. We're not stopping at 5Ks. So next thing, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that like button, yo. Stop playing with my likes. You know what I'm saying? Get the likes up. I don't want to see nothing under 50 likes on my videos, yo. You know what I'm saying? From you watching the video, the likes are for me. It's not for the song. It's not for the artist. It's for me. If I like the video, then I'm gonna make for Uno. I entertain Uno. Hit the like button. You see me? Like on this side is for me, not for the song. So I'm not care if you hate the song or if you hate the artist. From your rate me, I dip on my channel. From your sub to my channel and you're watching my video, you should be liking the video, bro. Because I bring entertaining videos to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Stop trying to bring on the feelings towards the other artists and song making all. Stop not bringing all that bad mind thing over here, so yo. Hit the like and subscribe button. That helps me out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so we're not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. I jump right into the track. This is Sparta, Ding Dong, Dinesty King, Guzu Bunks. Let's get it.
Guzu bunks. Ravers there, girl them there, dancers there, money tall like power. Beer vibes, beer weed, alcohol there. If you no rate the link, you're not there.
I wanna kind of sudden down. So your song start already. Hold on, bro. Hold on. You can't just jump there. Songs are Ding Dong. What the hell? Oh, me just say how the hell I go on, man. Alright, the song must start it. Let's see what I go on. Hold on, how we blow Tamale and Ding Dong depend some Drake versus Chris Brown shit. some Drake versus Chris Brown dance off shit. What's going on here? Yeah? Sparta! Yo! Easy. Alright, let's see what I got. You better behave, you know. Cause I don't know. Everybody knows say yo. A lot of people don't know. Tamale got vibes that can't dance. They don't get it twisted. So what's what I got? You have a dancer?
Ravers there, girl them there, dancers there, money tall like power. Beer vibes, beer weed, alcohol there. If you no rate the link, you're not there. I just see vibes, young and rich, I live the life. Folk all who say me I do the Guzu bunks alright. Hennessy and me fly.
Just a Hennessy and me vibes. Oh, dance off the marvel. Oh, what time?
Guzu. Swing your one and drop your shoulder. Watch your Roma do you. Go and dance now. Guzu ravers. Live your life. Middle finger go to the ear. To the Guzu bunks. Fuck up the party. Sparta one time. We roll with the arm. Go to touch people. But now we in the palm. Till I serve them like the shines on the heart. I just see vibes. Young and rich and live the life. Fuck all who say me I do the Guzu bunks alright. Young and rich and live the life.
Tamale try to come with some little positive thing there. Ever since he left jail and stuff, try to come with little positive upbeat stuff. I don't see that, no drop the darkness. The da. Oh, go on. Hey.
No care who say me I do the Guzu bunks alright. Girl
tell us how you have to get chopped like any man. 9x19 for my belly buck. Badness.
The girl come tell us something, I got to get chopped like any mutton, you know. I want you.
Walk with a limp with a shoulder dip. Swing your body slow, move to the target.
Hold on there, Briscoe. Me keep on seeing a video, I'm not seeing no tune, brother. What go on? Eh? Hey boy. Me tell about yourself.
Oh yes, sonny. Love the way you style it. The tuggy, them a bad up.
We don't like see lazy dancehall artists, you know. For you not chop junior, you no video. You not have power with nobody, dog. You drop bad tune and those cut. Cause some man drop some word after you, brother. Oh, I'm tear my
rhythm so clotted. Boom.
I just see vibes. Young and rich and living life. Fuck all who say me
I just see vibes. One literally be like
the Guzu bounce alright. I see I make me fly. Young and rich and living life. No care who I say me me I do the Guzu bounce alright. When the Draco, it echo, shot echo, boy echo. When the kids them see me.
the Draco, Echo, take boy Neko, hey.
Hello, want to your ice cream, want to your jello. Everybody know the bass boss one shot. Come on, we find boss one shot.
You heard that? Anybody play boss one shot, man, I want to stop playing the thing. Yo. Yeah, I can't find it right now.
I'm not being on no boss one shot. Boss two shot. With that radio, and the radio. Pocket full of dead folks, like deados. And the ice from my cheek.
The pocket full of dead folks like dodos.
Them predos, chewy happy, them jealous.
Money tall, them not tell.
So we happy them jealous, eh? What you mean, Sparta and boss? Hey man, if you want to make some upbeat, some energy thing, some have fun thing, I won't blame you, man. You know what I'm saying?
You know, fi make his spaceship with a press button. Gal in a hipsters jeans above up is something. Them so like anything you give them a gal a glutton.
Gal in a hipsters jeans a buff up is something. Then so like anything them give them. Them so like anything you give them gal a glutton, no blouse and skirt, you know? But I like it though, I like it. The positive thing, the energy thing, the vibes thing, I like it. You know what I'm saying? Everything for be dark and everything for chop and everything. You know what I'm saying? But we know some of your artists, they must miss darkness to me. You know what I'm saying? Sparta boss. You know what I know? Say, the core fan base, I love the darkness and thing, but boss, I know they miss some of it. So, you know what I'm saying? Why me understand you and push in energy, you know, we still want to hear some bossy tune. We want to hear Uncle D, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, Uncle D. But I like it. But this is what, with all true, this is what dancehall been missing. The bounce part and the vibes part. So I understand. That's why TJ Drift big, so you know. That's why DeMarco Jankro big, so. Because they tap into that. You know, when people hear that, there's people was like, oh shit, this is what we've been missing. And that's why I drift big, so. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Easy. Spartan bars, ding dong. You know what I'm saying? Dynasty King, Guzu bongs. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I like that one. It's an energy. That's definitely a vibe song, a party song. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, I like that one, man. Yeah, people, I don't think about the one in the comment section. Drop your comments, emojis, all that stuff. You know, let me know where you're watching from. All of that. You don't know, we just hit 2K and we're going to 10K and we're not stopping at 5K. So yeah, man, drop in the comments, guys. I appreciate the love and support. Hit the like button, guys. You see me? The like button, once again, is for me. It's not for the artist. It's not for the blow music. It's for me. If me entertain you with my videos, regardless if you like the artist or not, I need you to hit that like button. That's how you help my channel grow. You feel me? Yo. Listen to me, y'all not paying me. You see me? I'm doing this for free. All I'm asking you so some appreciation is a like button. Hit the like button. Regardless of what artist or what song, hit the like button from me. Entertain, you know, for the damn near 8 to 10 minutes that I'll be doing my videos for. You know what I'm saying? So hit the like and subscribe button. Help me get my numbers up. Help your boy grow. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys and I'm out.